I am doing, wait, what's the music video for it?
It was a Grammys or something, wasn't it?
It was a performance.
Yeah, like a huge Grammy.
One of Britney's performances. Everyone that's going tomorrow, that's what we're doing. And I haven't started making my costume. And there's a lot to it. But I'm going to film while we make it, if I remember to. Because you know how that usually goes. I forget halfway through. But this is what we have so far. So we have all of our stuff here, like the shirt, pants, boots. We have to bedazzle the boots and all that stuff and paint them. And then we have the snake and the wig, and then scarves, sewing kit. I have like my glitter tattoos that I'm not doing today. I just have it out so I don't forget. But yeah. Yay! My mom did the shirt. Sneezing constantly for no reason. But yeah. My mom's been doing the scarves. I'll have her show you when she's back. And then after I'm done with the pants, I'm gonna have her help me do the top part, and then we're gonna do the boots together, and then we're gonna be done, basically. The shorts, sparkles. We'll finish the painting of the shorts. She has to do the rest.
She leaves stuff like in this, so I check stuff. Which, you know, she's not neat at doing stuff.
So we got the costume. I'm packing it right now in this little bag so that it doesn't get all messy. We have the snake, and then in here are the boots, and then the tattoos and curler and stuff like that. Because I'm gonna do that when I get to Lydia's. I'll set this up, and I will show you guys what it looks like final look when I'm done. But yeah, packed in here, and then oh, this is the folder. I hate when and then now I'm just gonna pack my makeup stuff and head to Lydia's, I think. What we have? The boots my mom made. Bracelet. Sparkles. Head to toe. Yeah. How'd you do? Well, thank you guys for watching.